Our universe is a stage for countless celestial wonders. Among the most captivating is the solar eclipse, a breathtaking spectacle that has fascinated humanity for millennia. Picture this, the life-giving sun, our nearest star, gradually disappearing from view, momentarily cloaked by the moon's shadow. This is the magic of a solar eclipse, a celestial ballet that reminds us of the intricate workings of our solar system and the wonders that lie beyond. For centuries, solar eclipses were shrouded in mystery and superstition. Ancient civilizations often interpreted them as omens or divine interventions, weaving elaborate myths and legends around these celestial events. Today, we understand the science behind these awe-inspiring phenomena. We know that solar eclipses are not random occurrences, but rather predictable events governed by the laws of physics and the celestial dance of our planet, the moon, and the sun. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting its shadow upon our planet. This alignment might seem like a cosmic coincidence, but it's a testament to the precise movements of celestial bodies governed by gravity. The moon, despite being about 400 times smaller than the sun, is also about 400 times closer to Earth. This unique geometric arrangement means that, from our perspective on Earth, the moon and the sun appear to be roughly the same size in the sky. During a solar eclipse, the moon's shadow is projected onto Earth, creating two distinct regions, the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra, the darkest part of the shadow, is where the sun is completely obscured by the moon. Observers within the umbra experience a total solar eclipse, witnessing the ethereal beauty of the sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere, which is usually invisible to the naked eye. Surrounding the umbra is the penumbra, a lighter shadow where the sun is only partially covered. People in the penumbra witness a partial solar eclipse. Solar eclipses are not created equal. They can be classified into three main types: total, partial, and annular. Each type offers a unique and mesmerizing view of our sun and moon's celestial dance. A total solar eclipse, as its name suggests, occurs when the moon completely covers the sun, plunging the sky into an eerie twilight. This phenomenon can only be witnessed from within the narrow path of totality. For a few precious minutes, the sun's corona, a shimmering halo of plasma, becomes visible, offering a breathtaking spectacle that has captivated skywatchers for centuries. The corona's ethereal beauty is a sight to behold, revealing the sun's outer atmosphere in all its glory. A partial solar eclipse, on the other hand, occurs when the moon only partially obscures the sun, creating a crescent-shaped sun in the sky. This type of eclipse is more common and can be seen from a much larger area than a total eclipse. The extent of the sun's coverage during a partial eclipse depends on the observer's location within the moon's penumbra. The closer you are to the path of totality, the more significant the coverage. The farther an observer is from the path of totality, the path traced by the moon's umbra across Earth's surface, the less the sun will appear to be covered. This gradient of coverage creates a fascinating range of experiences for viewers across different regions. The third type of solar eclipse, an annular eclipse, happens when the moon is at its farthest point from Earth in its elliptical orbit. This distance makes the moon appear smaller in the sky. Because the moon appears slightly smaller at this distance, it doesn't completely cover the sun. Instead, it leaves a thin ring of the sun's surface visible. Instead, a bright ring of sunlight, often called a ring of fire, remains visible around the moon's silhouette. This ring of fire creates a stunning visual effect that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. Annular eclipses, while not as dramatic as total eclipses, are still captivating celestial events that draw skywatchers to witness the cosmic ballet. These events remind us of the intricate and delicate balance of our solar system and the wonders it holds. Section 4. Windows to the Cosmos. Scientific significance of eclipses. Solar eclipses are more than just visually stunning events. They are celestial phenomena that have captivated human curiosity and scientific inquiry for centuries. They have played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the universe. These rare occurrences provide scientists with unique opportunities to observe and study aspects of the sun that are otherwise hidden from view. For centuries, astronomers have used solar eclipses as unique opportunities to study the sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere. The corona is a region of high scientific interest because it holds many secrets about solar activity and space weather. The corona is normally too faint to be seen against the glare of the sun's photosphere, the sun's visible surface. This makes solar eclipses invaluable for solar research. During a total solar eclipse, however, the moon acts as a natural occulter, blocking the sun's blinding light and allowing astronomers to observe the corona in detail. This natural alignment offers a rare glimpse into the sun's outer atmosphere. Studies of the corona during solar eclipses have revealed valuable information about its temperature, composition, and magnetic field, providing insights into the processes that drive solar activity, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These phenomena can have significant effects on space weather and, consequently, on Earth's technological systems. One of the most famous examples of the scientific significance of solar eclipses is the 1919 eclipse expedition led by British astronomer Arthur Eddington. This expedition was a pivotal moment in the history of science. Eddington's observations during this eclipse provided the first experimental confirmation of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, which predicted that gravity could bend the path of light. This groundbreaking discovery not only validated Einstein's theory, but also revolutionized our understanding of gravity and the cosmos. By measuring the apparent positions of stars near the sun during the eclipse, Eddington showed that their light was indeed deflected by the sun's gravity, just as Einstein had predicted. This experiment marked a significant milestone in the field of astrophysics and cemented the importance of solar eclipses in scientific research. Section 5. Myths and Legends. Cultural Interpretations of Eclipses. Throughout history, solar eclipses have inspired a rich tapestry of myths, legends, and cultural practices. These celestial events have been interpreted in various ways by different cultures, each adding their unique perspective to the phenomenon. In many ancient cultures, solar eclipses were viewed with fear and trepidation. The sudden disappearance of the sun, the source of life and light, was a cause for alarm, and often seen as an ominous sign. The sudden disappearance of the life-giving sun was often interpreted as a sign of celestial unrest or divine displeasure. People believed that the gods were angry, or that a great disaster was imminent. Ancient civilizations often associated solar eclipses with mythical creatures or deities. These interpretations were deeply rooted in their cultural and religious beliefs. For example, in ancient Chinese mythology, solar eclipses were believed to be caused by a celestial dragon devouring the sun. This dragon was a powerful and fearsome creature that could only be driven away by the collective efforts of the people. To scare away the dragon and restore the sun's light, people would bang drums, clash cymbals, and make loud noises during an eclipse. This ritual was a communal effort to protect the sun and ensure its return. In Norse mythology, a giant wolf named Skal chased the sun across the sky, and solar eclipses were said to occur when Skal finally caught and began to devour the sun. This myth reflected the Norse people's understanding of the natural world and their attempts to explain the unexplainable. Ancient civilizations also developed sophisticated methods for predicting solar eclipses. These methods were based on careful observation and a deep understanding of the movements of celestial bodies. The ancient Babylonians, for instance, were able to predict eclipses with remarkable accuracy, using their knowledge of astronomy and mathematics. They observed the skies meticulously and recorded their findings on cuneiform tablets. They kept meticulous records of celestial events, including eclipses, and developed complex mathematical models to predict their occurrence. These records have provided modern scholars with invaluable insights into the astronomical knowledge of ancient civilizations. Section 6. Fun Facts, Eclipses in History and Popular Culture. The longest duration for a total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 32 seconds. However, most total eclipses are much shorter. The word eclipse comes from the Greek word eclipsis, which means abandonment or failing. Ancient Greek historian Herodotus claimed that a solar eclipse stopped a battle between the Lydians and the Medes in 585 BC. The warring factions, reportedly terrified by the sudden darkness, interpreted the eclipse as a sign to make peace. Mark Twain incorporated a solar eclipse into his novel A Connecticut Yankee in King Arthur's Court. The protagonist, Hank Morgan, saves himself from being burned at the stake by predicting an eclipse, which he had learned about from a 19th century almanac. Total solar eclipses are rare events at any specific location on Earth. On average, a total solar eclipse is visible from the same place only once every 375 years. Section 7 Conclusion. The enduring allure of solar eclipses. Solar eclipses continue to captivate us. They are celestial spectacles that remind us of the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. From ancient myths and legends to cutting-edge scientific discoveries, solar eclipses have played a profound role in shaping our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries, these celestial events serve as a reminder of the beauty, precision, and awe-inspiring power of the natural world. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the wonders of the universe.